Last week I had told you that bullishness on NG is diminishing. Here we can see a strong pullback, and now next week we can expect a good drop, and precisely it gave a very good drop. It dropped till 8.6 levels. I hope you all profited. It opened a gap up and then dropped consistently at the same time. See, it is tried to maintain this channel, lower highs, lower lows. Now we'll see into further detail what can be expected next week out of NG, whether to go long, whether to stay short. We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not miss to like, share, subscribe and comment. Missing on to subscribe is missing the profit. Do not commit this mistake. Daily I share my analysis on NG very early in the day. With the Asia session I release my analysis along with NG and crude oil. Do watch that on the daily basis. Do press the bell icon. Now let's start the day. Now see, this is the daily charts for NG. You can find 3 red candles, a retracement, then a sharp red candle. Now this is the first red candle with a tail out there, and possibility exists that it can try to drop more. Second and third red candle may come down there, and it may try to drop till towards $8 levels. In fact, dropping below 8, 7.5 is going to remain the ultimate support. There is a possibility that it can try to drop till there. Now look, see, till so far NG has remained bullish here, retracement bullish here, but this time it has achieved higher highs close to $10 levels. Now this is trying to trade within little bearish channel, and this is a downward trending channel. The let me draw it little bit precise for you. See how beautifully the highs are connected there, and the lows also has to connect there. On the downside, now 8.5 levels, you should watch out for any breach below 8.5. It may give you a stronger crash on NG. Then we can see it 8 and $7.5 levels. But this is just on the daily charts. Let's have a further detailed look here on the weekly charts as well. Now look at the weekly charts. See, the it has seen the bottom like this, and the bottom there at $6 levels is there. Since then it has diverged and gave a stronger rise. Now if you look at the retracement there, the retracement was strong, and the rise this time, the slope of this rise is minuscule, hence indicates that the bullishness is diminished here. Only sustaining about $10 levels, you can expect that we may see a very strong rise in NG. Now look at the last two candles, lower highs, lower lows, and here it makes that only sustaining above 9.5. Yes, you can consider 9.5, 9.6 zone as a stronger zone. Only sustaining above 9.6, you can expect that we may see further highs than $11 levels can be seen. Now it is trying to retrace again on the downside, and whenever we have seen such moves, see, rise, retracement, the retracement is sharp, the rise, and then the retracement here. Now this time if you see it trading below 8.5, this zone, yes, you can expect a further drop. However, you can initiate a short entry very early. You can initiate a short entry somewhere here at around 8.8 levels, and then you can expect it to drop for more. 8.5 first support, then towards 8.3 and $8 levels will come into picture. And in fact, 7.5 and $7 levels on the downside cannot be denied. Yes, it has the potential to drop further, drop farther. So we have seen the daily and weekly charts. Let's have a look at the monthly candle. Now on the contrary, on the monthly charts, see, this is, you can find out 3 green candles, a retracement candles, 2 green candles here. The possibility of a third green candle is very high. Now look at the highs of last months. You can find out it is very well aligned, and now the next resistance zone is at only about 10.2, 10.4 levels, which is going to be a stronger resistance. Now also look at this, it may try to give you a low before it tries to achieve the high. So yes, anyways, if you see it trading beyond this zone at 9.5, 9.6, definitely one can stay long and one can expect it to rise. But before the rise, there is a potential, there is a possibility for it to achieve the lows. How low it can go? $8, 7.7, $7.6 can be at least seen, and then we can expect it to rise. Now look at the previous candles move. It has achieved the candles high till here, the body size till here, and then bounce back from. So on the monthly charts, as we have seen, third candle probability exists and see the body size is diminished, and hence you can expect the diminished body size here too. But then on the upside 10.2, 10.5 levels cannot be denied. Achieving these levels, it can try to drop again. So yes, a consolidating move can be expected before it tries to drop, and if not this month, then next month probably. But then you can try to enjoy the maximum for next week. I will give you the definitely the strategy for next week. Just wait for a little. Let's have a look with the help of indicators. Now what does the indicator say? Because on the daily and 4-hour chart the possibility of drop is high. And now let's have a look with the help of indicators here. Now look at the 4-hour charts. It traded outside the Bollinger Bands, got the support here at 8.6, 8.65 level, trying to rise, but the next resistance zone is at $9. If it breaks past 9, then 9.2, only sustaining above 9.2. You can expect we may see 9.4 and plus levels, but this time 9.2, 9.3, 9.4 zone is going to be definitely a stronger resistance zone. Be cautious of this. At the same time, if you look at the 4-hour charts, it was extremely bearish. It can start to diverge a little. If you look at the 4-hour stochastic too, this has too seen the oversold levels. Possibility of a little rise does exist. The MACD has also been trading divergent, but it is just 3 candles apart. We have to see into further detail and see how it behaves further. Also, the RSI has seen a bottom and trying to rise from here. A little consolidating move till upside, or a little upside move can be expected. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts you will find now NG is trading below the 20 period moving average, which is a critical support zone, now situated at around 9.2, 9.3. This also confirms what we have seen on the 4-hour chart and what we have seen on the candlestick alone. 9.2, 9.3 zone is important for NG. Only and only if it sustains above this zone, you can confirm that it is going to give you bullish reversal. So this is one part of it. On the downside, if you look at the 100 period and the 50 period moving average are now situated at around $8 levels. Possibility of it to drop till here exists. You also see there is a crossover between the 50 period and 100 period moving average. Now look at the directional movement here. So far trading bearish. It is on the verge of a bearish cross, and this is a bearish cross which we can see it is going to happen after a long time, after almost couple of months. Hence we have to be a little bit cautious there. The stochastic on the other hand has seen a bottom, trying to rise from here. Possibility that it may retrace, and then from there it can enter into oversold zone. The MACD has just crossed over. It is divergent, and remember it is trading above the zero line. It is trading in the bullish zone. Possibility of it to cross over on the sell side exists before it tries to reverse further. The RSI is looking downward, so most indicators are giving a feeling that we may see little bearish moves in NG. Now look at the weekly charts also. On the weekly charts, $8 and 7.5, this zone is going to be a prime support for NG. It may try to sustain above these levels. Dropping below 7.5, 7 and 6 cannot be denied. Directional movement so far on the weekly charts is bullish, but it is looking forward to converge a little. Stochastic is overbought. Possibility of a drop from here exists, and MACD is divergent and it is bullish here. Possibility of it to converge exists, but this is just 4 candles apart. But at the same time, while it was bearish, it is seeing sharp candles and tries to converge. Now again it is seeing little bullishness trying to converge. It is still above zero. It is still in the bullish zone here. RSI has seen a high, looking downwards. Possibility of it to drop exists. So most indicators are confirming that we may see a little drop. Now look at the monthly candle. On the monthly charts, NG getting a resistance there, as precisely traded outside the Bollinger Bands for multiple months. Now it is trying to get a pullback on the downside, and just to increase the width of the Bollinger Bands, we may see it sustaining. See 9.2, 9.4 zone, how important it is. This is also the top of the Bollinger Bands, and it is precisely tried to refrain from these levels. The width of the Bollinger Bands we have seen continuously widening, and if you look at the downside, the support there is far away. The directional movement so far in last 3 years, it is being bullish, and it is still trading parallel. On the monthly chart, the stochastic is again trying to see a high here. the possibility for it to remain bullish exists. The MACD is divergent, it is bullish. See how many months, almost, but from 3 years, close to 2.5 years, it is trading bullish, it is trading extremely bullish, extremely divergent. Possibility exists that it has seen the high, it may start to converge a little. Remember this rise in NG we have seen after long time of long period of consolidation, and still it has still got some room for it to rise, but I think the high for now is seen. Probably we may see it converging and consolidating from here. So this is what we have seen on the charts and indicators. Now let me give you the trading levels and strategy for next. See, when can you be a good trader? When can you be a profitable trader? Is only when you stop going as per the bias. I too have a bias, and whenever I go as per the bias, I lose in the markets. So you have to stop and eliminate the bias from you. I think that the markets will rise. I think that the natural gas is bullish. I think that the natural gas is bearish. It is going to crash. The news has come. See, once you became built a bias, you will seek the news around these bias, and then you keep confirming the bias with the help of news. You will try to find out the news which is favorable to your bias, and then you will make it further strong, and then ultimately you lose. Please do not commit this mistake. You have to trade as per the levels. You have to trade with the stop loss. You have to trade with the trailing stop loss. First rule, shift your stop loss to cost. Second rule, put a trailing stop loss. Third rule, you should know the levels at which you should exit. You can take 10 trades. 10 little trades with little profits will increase your wealth, rather than waiting for a one big trade where you will possibility exists that it is going to reverse there and it is going to hit your stop losses high. So trade accordingly, trade profitably. Every trade closed in no loss or in profit, little profit, definitely it will increase your wealth, but at the same time it will increase your confidence more than your wealth. So trade with confidence and do trade with the stop loss. You, if you want to learn the strategy and art of reading charts, art of trading profitably, art of taking right positions at right times and exiting it right time, you can join my mentorship batch. The strategies taught, the methodology provided will help you become a profitable and proficient trader. Reach out to me for more details. It is a 15-day session, live session, 90 minutes daily, and a lifetime support is what you get. Do not miss to join this, and do not miss to invest in this. The lifetime technical support will definitely help you in your day trading decisions. Reach out to me for more details. My telegram channel ID also, you can join my telegram channel ID, telegram personal ID, and Gmail ID is also mentioned in the channel and video description. You can join or reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. Secondly, you can become a patron just contributing minuscule. This is hardly less than your monthly newspaper cost, and definitely it is a motivation for me on month-to-month basis as I deliver my efforts on daily and weekly basis. So become a patron. The patron site link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of the premier subscription in pattern website, where the next level is where you get all the discussion, you will get all the personal consultation, at the same time you will get the signals too. So do visit the pattern page. Now let's have a look at the levels for next. First, let's talk about the levels to go long. Yes, you can stay long above 8.95. Above 8.95, I will look forward to 9.02, then 9.1, 9.2, 9.25. See why I am giving these three on close by levels. Why I am giving these closer levels? Because see, I still see that till 9.4 it is still very bearish. In fact, the 9.5 levels, which is a little far away, is still a level below which you can expect it to drop again. So you have to trade with caution till these levels. Beyond that, it will fly high. Only above 9.5 I will expect that the bullishness is there. First resistance zone which you have to watch out for is 9.2, 9.25, then 9.4, 9.5. So yes, you can take a long entry, you can buy NG here at 8.95, then expect that it can reverse any point of time from here. So yes, you have to always put a trailing stop loss so that in event of a reversal you can close your trades, or either close your trades here and then take a re-entry there, or if you see it moving in the same direction, or else if you have not closed the trade, shift your stop loss to these levels and continue with these trading strategy. Only then and then only you can profit. See, when I say I can expect a reversal, it means there is a possibility, strong possibility of a reversal, and it can reverse. So trade accordingly. Now on the downside, you can reverse, you can go short on the downside below 8.85. Remember 8.8 the first strong support. Trading below 8.8, 8.71, 8.6, these are the two levels you should watch out for, and then 8.5. So first thing, if it is literally little bit bullish, it can bounce back from this, then the next level is this and this. Till 8.5 the possibility of a reversal is 60%. Below 8.5 you can expect a very good drop for 8.4, 8.2 and then 8 levels, and in fact it can try to drop for 7.7. if not this week, then possibility exists that by next week you can see these levels, and then from there a little rise can be expected. In between 9.4, 9.5 to 8.8, 8.5, you have to trade with extra caution. It can give you little swings. Breaking below 8.5, just do not remain shy of going short, and then you can expect it to continue to drop. Take your positions accordingly, trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Do watch the daily analysis as well. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.